Vanakkam and Namaskar ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. I request you all to please stand. We have our prince coming in. Let's welcome the prince, the showstopper for the event today. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for prince.
கத்திரைக்கடல் சூழவனிக்கு ஒரு கண்மணி போன்றவனே, கற்பகநாடன் எப்பொரு மேன்மை கணக்கில வாய்ந்தவனே, முத்தமிழை பயில் வித்தகர் நாவில் முழங்கிடு நாயகனே.
There were few cue cards, so I'm here. I'm ready to give you all a gift hamper. And one person who can guess the name of the baby for the naming ceremony gets a gift hamper. Entrance only. Have you seen these cue cards? Cue cards. ಯಾವ letter ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? What letters can you see? J. Okay, that is all I'm helping. The letters is J and A. There are two names. Okay, let me give you one more clue. The first letter starts with J. Can you please pass on the mic? Thank you. J and A. Jayashmi. Jayashmi, you're close by, but nice try. Thank you, madam. Jayraj. Jay what? Jayraj. Second is A. So it cannot be Raj. Raj and Agula. Jay Ashok. Quite close by, but nice try. Thank you. Anyway, come here, the mic here.
Jay Akshay.
Akshay, okay. One good news is the first letter is right. Thank you, madam. You guys start madalla.
Jay Aditya.
Jay Aditya, not that great. You're Ashik Eagle, No, thank you. Jay Akash. Many names coming out. Alright, I have Prabhu here, my very close friend from school. And the second name, no, he will give us a clue.
I would say that the logo has his name actually. For example, Prabhu means Raja, king. Similar, Prakash means sun. So similar, even the crown represent a king. So the name, second name is a king.
It's a king. He's given enough clue. The second name is a king. It means a king. Yeah. Well, fantastic. That's the right answer. Please come. Please come. What's your name? Kavya. She got it right. Jay Abhimanyu, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause for Kavya. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.